Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in Pop Writing 1, 60 points. Okay, what is a pop writing? We see the kernel of popcorn popping here. What does that mean? A pop writing is a writing about a specific topic, but it's not announced ahead of time. So that's what a pop writing is. And let's find out about our pop writing, surveying this assignment. Okay, up at the top here, we see 3 links: the timeline, the requirements, and the discussion rubric. We have a part 1, 50 points, and a part 2, 10 points. Okay, I'm going to click on the timeline link with you. I will not click on requirements and the discussion rubric. I'd like you to click on these links and read them on your own. Okay, so I'm clicking on the timeline, and the timeline is post part 1 by 11:59 p.m. on Thursday, and post part 2 by 11:59 p.m. on Saturday. If you think that you cannot meet this timeline, come over here to inbox and let me know what's going on why you're submitting late, and I'll do my best to help you with whatever the problem is. Okay, I'm going to click on the back arrow here. So we're back into our assignment, and I'm going to read part 1, 50 points. Our writing assignment is: be a stranger with nothing to do, who happens to look at and observe you. Tell us what he or she sees in no more than 125 words, half a page. Will what you write tell us more about the stranger or you? Part 2, 10 points. After you have posted your pop writing, respond to 2 peers' postings sharing constructive, positive feedback, constructive criticism, so positive feedback about what your peers wrote. In the pop writing, explain who you see: your peer, the person observing your peer, or both. Each posting should be a minimum of 125 words, a half page, for a total of 250 words, 1 page. Okay, if you have any questions about this pop writing assignment, I am over here in inbox, and you're never bothering me when you're emailing me. You're never emailing me too many times. Email me as many times as you need to discuss the assignment or make it clear. Okay, let's have a good week.